All right, it's Monday, June 17th, about 11:10 in the morning. Here we are at the Ladybird, Johnson Grove. Hello, Guy. How you doing? It's okay. All right, there. Pause that and read all that. 1.5 mile loop to the Grove. All right, so we're going to do that. And see some of that stuff. So we're going to head up over this bridge. No dogs allowed. You can see it's not actual wood, but it's made like it. Or if it is real wood, I don't know. It don't feel like it. I'll say it that way. Maybe it is. This takes you across the roadway. So you have to get out here and get run over.
Yeah, look, there's real wood.
Okay. Sometimes it's real wood, so you can see the road down there. We did drive that way. And there goes a car through there, if you can see it. It's supposed to have the biggest redwoods in the world in this place. How you doing? Right, there's some roots. Part of a fallen one apparently from who knows when. Here's a fairly good sized one. Right here. You sound tired. All right. All right, so here's the first behemoth that we've run across in here. See, part of it goes way up through those branches. Here, just to show you its size. Hopefully you can see. You can see me. You can see the size of this thing. It's very, very wide. Pretty nice. Let's keep going. All right, let's look at this behemoth. Look at this thing. Multiple trees, but all in one base.
Redwood's longevity through the ages is assured. Huh.
Wow.
How crazy is that?
Big cluster.
Yeah, look, it's got the same base, but it's multiple trees. Let's walk around this thing. Hey, you can kind of walk inside of it right here. Look at this. Look at that. How cool is that? That's a view. That's a view. Spiderwebs right there. Right here, you get quite a few big ones. You can look back in here. But the truly amazing one is this one right here in front of us. Center of your frame. Look at the massiveness of this thing.
Yeah, honey, look at this one.
And
Look at that big old burnt one over there.
this is what we call a wild Russell in the wild. You barely find these things when you come to California, I'm told. But we cornered one. Look at him. He can't run. He don't know what to do. He's just stuck. And this is his bear cub named RJ, who likes to hold up books in front of cameras. It's what they do for entertainment. And over here, look at this burnt thing.
The S7 or S8 guns.
Look at the burn in that.
Yeah, and it dries
Let's
out,
go
just feel
all the way up.
Look, there's sugars in it, or starches.
Pretty good, huh?
How do you like that?
That right there,
Here. You don't know the size of it? All right, let me show you the size of it. Here you go. Going that way. Let's go back around, show you that side. Here you go. Here I am in the opening. Here, now you want to see it from a different perspective? There you go. Looks good, right? All right.
The sap is like water.
Yeah, it's not sticky at all.
Really?
It's like water, the sap coming out. Fill it.
All right, so here's what they're talking about. This is sap, and it really does look like water. Looks like the tree is wet. All right, I'm told it feels that way, so there you see my finger. That's dry.
This little pool right there.
Interesting. Yeah, look at that. It's like dirty water. But here, you want some texture? Here's some texture of what these trees look like. Up close and personal. That way, all the way up.
Yeah, there's burl on the ground, I think.
Really? Wow, so here's a piece of burl down here.
Is that a piece of burl right there?
How cool is that? All right, so look at these behemoths. This one in front. This great big huge one in back. And I mean it's huge. That base, I don't know, 20 feet wide. Guessing. Yeah, there's a little path down to it. Look at this. Seems to turn out to make several trees. So high up. It's almost insane. Wow. And then look, if you look straight up from this one. How very cool. And then look, as I just scan around the forest here slowly for you. You see these ain't the only ones. And look at all of these ferns. How cool is all that? Set of 3. Way out through there. Here's a set of 2. Let's shoot way out through there. Crazy. All right, so you can see I'm in between these 2 giant burnt trees. There's a hole here. And there's a tiny hole there. There's a bigger hole right here. It goes down about a foot. And all of this is black. You can't see it now, but I'll show it to you in a second. But look at the size of these trees. And here, I'm standing in between them. I mean, I'm nothing. Absolutely nothing compared to them. So now the camera's going to start coming towards me. Then we're going to show you some more stuff. So stay here for a second. Let me show you. Here's the burnt I was just talking about. Look at that. What do you think of the shape of that? Okay. Back here. Look at this. Here's more of these things. Ooh, that one's busted off. Okay, then we got these 2 right here. See, they're not connected, they're separate. And they go all the way up. Then there's more back there with some oleander flowers. Tree right back there. So, another great big one over there. Plenty of these things. Oh, and look, see, on this side, see the great big hole down there, spider webs and stuff hanging out. Then as we come back through, well, look, we find a beautiful babe in the woods. Just hanging out. Oh, yeah, and I forgot. See, this is all burl wood here. Look at this. It's just hanging out here seemingly on the ground. A bunch of it. Crazy, huh? And there's the outside of the trees there. All right. Oh, and here, I can't even close this thing down. Look at this stand. Wow, and look way up there in that limb.
Yeah, it's got a bunch of branches.
That's like, yeah, it's almost like a gigantic bird built a huge nest or something. All right, let's see. Lady Bird Johnson Grove Trail, Berry Glen Trail, quarter-mile, self-guided tour route. Awesome. We'll take it. So here, all these great big trees
There's
here.
the mossy tree.
Okay, yeah, I'll get him in a second. But you see there's a whole grove here. There's more of the oleander right there. All these big things. Now check out this tree with all this moss. Here. That's some up close and personal right there. More in the sun, you can see. Look all the way up through there. As we come down, you see it looks like a great big strand hanging just to the left of this tree, all the way down to that point. Right about top of the head level for me. Pretty cool. So more trees, more trees, more moss, the fern. How well would this work in a scary movie? Look at this here. Here's an up close one. Look at this. Some of the moss right up close for you. And this is what it's on.
Well, then here's some more. This is pretty cool.
There's a little thing hanging down from the tree, looks like a basket.
And this one, look at this.
That's so cool. And then this tree, look at how big it is around.
Yeah. Let's go get it in a second.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, good find. Here, look straight through the middle of your screen. Back there about maybe 25 feet. It's like a basket hanging right off that tree.
Oh, honey, come look at this.
How wild is that? Well, hang on just a second. Let me get this one now that I'm here. All right, so you see this big fat tree here. And it just goes up and up. I won't blind you with the sun. There's another great big one right behind it.
You see the spider web that's blowing?
And then, got another oleander tree.
Pretty cool.
And here,
Like
take
a
a look
disc.
as best you can at those flowers.
Want me to hold it higher?
Hey, if you can, just point it straight at.
All right.
There you go. Good job. Brought to you by RJ. All right, so here's a couple more behemoths right in front of us. You see this one right back behind it.
Oh, yeah.
Right over there. And over here, we got more. Now here's two from the backside, and that middle one is a busted stalk. See it? It goes on up. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. See, they're talking this busted off one. See that big fern up there growing? So it's life out of death, literally.
Well, it's a snag and a real one, right? A live one?
Wow. Look at the size of this. I mean, this is like a movie scene. It's like a huge prop. It looks fake. It ain't. But it looks, look at this. I mean, this is gigantic.
Indoor. No, like
Insane.
yeah, it's a place called Redwood and another Redwood Fort. In Sonoma.
And then look at this. I mean, it's funny how some trees literally just hide other trees. And look here. You see again, these things get struck by lightning a lot. A lot. Ferns out there, surrounded by trees. Another great big one right here.
Hey, they deposited our deferred checks. Look at this. But we just heard all those things saying they'd be all people.
Wow, look at all those limbs. And then look at through there.
Hey, look.
Kind of a scene is that? Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Now, we'd caught the wild Russell and the wild RJ on the video, but as luck would have it, we've also found
hold for us, like we keep money out so we get paid over summer.
we found a wild Riley. That's even more rare than the other two. The females generally hide in caves and don't come out in the day.
Yeah, they eat the men. You better watch out. Heard of a black widow, right?
I have.
So they
Look at that huge grove over there. There, and then in front of us. Look at those two down there. How crazy is that?
next month's bills.
Yeah.
So it kind of sucks. If I wouldn't have checked, I'm like, oh yeah, my bank account's looking good.
All right.
Mine at all.
All right, let's keep going and see what else we can see.